Hello everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet a classic crochet stitch pattern called the Sedge Stitch. This stitch has a beautiful texture, as you can see here. The texture is reversible, making it a great stitch choice for those reversible projects such as blankets and shawls and scarves. The stitch is fairly simple to work. Today we're going to be using a medium or a worsted weight yarn. This is the Heatherly yarn by We Crochet and Knit Picks, as well as a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook. There's links to the yarn in the description of this video. Also down in the description you'll find a direct link to the free written instructions, which are on my website at richtexturescrochet.com. You may wish to follow along. Also down in the description you'll find a link to my Amazon books, one of which is Intermediate Crochet Stitches. So if you enjoy learning new crochet stitches with lots of texture and color, you'll want to check out this book, available on Amazon in paperback and ebook formats. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to take a look around. Don't forget to subscribe. This channel is updated every single week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. Let's grab our hooks and yarn and get started. Now our stitch today is worked in rows. You're going to start by making a slip knot. You're then going to work a foundation chain, and your foundation chain today will need to be a multiple of 3 stitches plus 2. So today I'm going to go ahead and chain 23 stitches. There's 21, which is my multiple of 3, plus 2 more, 22 and 23 for my foundation chain. Now for row 1, you're going to begin by working into the second chain from your hook, and you're going to work a single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet all into that same stitch. So you'll have 3 stitches worked into that second chain from your hook. You're then going to skip the next 2 chains, and into your next chain work 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet stitch. You're going to repeat this all the way across until you have 3 stitches remaining. Skip the next 2 stitches, into your next stitch, work 1 single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet stitch. Repeat this all the way across. When you come across and have 3 chains remaining, you're going to finish the row by skipping the next 2 chains and working 1 single crochet into your final stitch. You're then going to chain 1 and turn your work. For row 2, you're simply going to begin in the first stitch. Your chain 1 does not count as a stitch. So into your first single crochet, just as you did down in row 1, work 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet all into the same stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches, which is your double crochet and your half double crochet, and then into the next stitch, which is your single crochet stitch, work 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet stitch. You're going to repeat that all the way across. Skip the next 2 stitches. Into your next stitch, work a single crochet, half double, and double crochet stitch. And repeat this all the way across until you have 3 stitches remaining. Once you come across and have 3 stitches remaining, skip the next 2 stitches. Into your final stitch, work 1 single crochet stitch, chain 1, and turn your work. Now for the repeat in this pattern, that is it. That's all there is to working the sedge stitch. You're simply going to repeat your row 2. In the first stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet all into the same stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches. Into your next stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. Repeat that all the way across until you have 3 stitches remaining. Skip the next 2 stitches and finish off your row with 1 single crochet. And that's all there is to working this classic sedge stitch pattern. So thank you so much for joining me. Once again, while you're here, I invite you to subscribe, take a look around, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. Until then, happy crocheting. Bye.